BKT TR-135 8.3 by 24 rear tractor tires. These tires are one of the most preferred bias rear tractor tires in the United States. The BKT TR-135 farm tires belong to a group of bias tractor tires offered by BKT that has recently become #1 above both Goodyear and Firestone in the U.S. replacement rear farm tire market share. BKT brand tires have built a reputation for excellent value combined with high quality and performance. BKT TR-135 rear tractor tires are most suitable for general farming applications. Heavy ply ratings are standard for BKT TR-135 and are available in a huge range of sizes. BKT is one of the fastest growing farm tire import brands in the U.S. They provide a quality product line, and Ken Jones has carried both the farm and industrial lines for many years with no problems. You can't go wrong when buying BKT tires.